Hey, if you're tired of getting a sore neck from looking down at your laptop, you might want to consider a laptop stand. This one here is made out of aluminum. It's very compact. It's like aircraft grade aluminum, very lightweight. You've got these little rubber strips here that kind of hold the laptop in place. Now, this is good for laptops that are between 10 and 16 inches. I have a 17-inch laptop. It does work with that. I'll show you that in a second. One of the main things with a laptop stand that you want to be aware of is the hinge points. You need those hinge points to be very tight, very stiff and stout. Otherwise, when you set your laptop on it, it's just going to creep down. So I'm telling you, you have to put a lot of force on it to open it up and to get it into position, which is what you want. This is a big workstation laptop, 17 inches, and look, it holds this no problem in here, okay? Give you a look around there underneath. So now my screen is at eye level. Great for ergonomics, great for taking that stress off the neck so I can go ahead and just work. And when I'm done, I can go ahead and just do this, push the laptop down. I can also use it in this position as well. There's another main benefit that's often overlooked with laptop stands, and that is the fact that you have these little slots right here. These slots are there for a reason, and that is to allow the laptop to cool. When you put a laptop down on a hard surface like this, right? Or you set the laptop on your lap, what is underneath here is the fans. So you're gonna lose performance and speed on your laptop if it overheats. Not only is the stand bringing the laptop up so it's at a more comfortable eye level, but it's gonna allow for circulation to keep that laptop cool, running in tip-top performance. The quality of the build on this is very high. I'm loving the stoutness of the hinge points. It's super lightweight. If you want to take this back and forth with you to the office or to school or to a classroom, you could even take this into the lecture hall at college. Go ahead and just set this up and bring your laptop up, no problem. It's very portable, lightweight, easy to clean, but that aircraft grade aluminum is really probably going to last forever, to be honest with you. Super high quality, so definitely pick this one up, check it out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.